Today at the Catholic Martyrs Shrine, the atmosphere was filled with joy, praise and worship during Mass as the mood builds for Martyrs Day tomorrow. During the Mass, the Vicar General of Nebbi Catholic Diocese warned believers against witchcraft and false prophets, noting that many falsely claim to have heard God's voice.
It's very unfortunate that even the Christians sometimes go to witch doctor to offer the goats, the reptiles. Some are saying the spirit has said, so and so has said. And they are unable to tell us which spirit has said. They begin to behave as if they are witch doctor on one hand, and maybe the spirit themselves on the other.
Father Osiga also condemned the exploitation of believers as it is a selfish practice.
Sacrificing others for their own individual selfishness, they enjoy in the suffering of others. At times even they shed the blood of others to achieve their evil goal. Such are not Eucharistic people.
This year's Martyrs Day celebrations at the Catholic Shrine will be animated by the Nebbi Catholic Diocese under the theme, "As for me and my household, we shall serve the Lord." Norbert Atkunda, NTV Weekend Edition.